Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to teach you step by step how you can install any extension from the Chrome Web Store in the Brave browser with just a few clicks and with very little effort. For example, if you'd like to use your favorite Chrome extensions also in your Brave browser on PC or laptop. So let us get started. Head over to Brave browser, launch it on your laptop or on your PC. And basically what you want to do, guys, is here on your home screen is click on these three horizontal lines in the very top right corner and select extensions from the drop down menu, and after that click on manage extensions here to the right. That is going to take you to your extension management. So what you want to do, guys, if you haven't installed any extension yet, simply click on this button here, this link Web Store. That is going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. So basically what you want to do is simply use the search bar here at the top in the Chrome Web Store and look for your favorite Chrome extension. So let me type in, for example, Google, and then let's see what suggestions will pop up. For the sake of this tutorial, let us go with that extension here, Earth View from Google Earth. So click on it. After that, you will see that button here to the right, Add to Brave. So simply click on that. After this, confirm the installation by clicking on Add Extension, wait for the installation to be finished. And after a brief moment, the given extension will be added to your list of extensions here in the top right corner where you see that extensions button. So if you click on it, you will be given access to all installed extensions in your Brave browser. So if you, for example, click on that button here, you will be given the opportunity to pin it so that you can access it directly with one click of your mouse, or to disable it, to remove it from Brave. Or if you head back to your extension management, you will be given the opportunity to enable or to disable the given extension or to remove it entirely from Brave browser. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.